Welcome back everyone to Rev and Explore Power Sport Previews. I'm your host Justin, and today I want to dive into Kawasaki's new Rideology app for any of the Ninja 500 owners out there. So there's a lot of mixed information out there on how to connect your new smart device to any of the Kawasaki motorcycles that use the Kawasaki Rideology app. And without the TFT display on the special edition, it's really hard to figure out how to get the passkey to actually be able to link your smart device to the bike. So first, when you actually turn over the key on your new Ninja 500 and the LCD display turns on, you will notice the app icon blinking in the right lower hand corner of the display. Once the key is turned over and the app icon is blinking on your display, you're going to pull out your smart device and pull up the Kawasaki Rideology app on your phone. It's going to ask you to add a new vehicle. Now when adding the new vehicle, the first thing that's going to pop up on your smart device is the passkey to be able to link to the bike. The hard part is nobody out there gives you what that passkey is. So this is where you're going to pull out your new owner's manual for the Kawasaki. Now in your owner's manual on page 66, it will actually show you what the passkey is for any of the Ninja 500s. On this specific owner's manual, it does state 833454 is the passkey. So you're actually going to link that to the bike by clicking connect. It will ask you for the passkey to be able to connect the bike. Once you enter the passkey into your smart device, the smart device will be linked to your motorcycle, allowing you to use Kawasaki's Rideology app to keep track of service intervals, ride times, where the bike is located via Bluetooth. Also, on your display, it'll have three different icons show up on the display. First off, the app icon will be blinking slowly when connected to the motorcycle. Also, if you do receive any kind of notifications to your phone, like a phone call, you will have a phone icon pop up on the display, or email and text messages will have a mail icon show up on the display of your motorcycle. Now that's all for today's episode on linking your bike to the Kawasaki's new Rideology app. We hope you have found this video easy to follow. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the exciting action-packed videos we got coming up next. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Justin at Rev and Explore Power Sport Previews. We hope to see you out there.